Today we're going to bring a screen endoscope and we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us today. So we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. First of all, what you get is you actually get the screen itself with a micro USB to charge it. You get the actual micro SD card. It's a 8 gig video card to transfer your videos or your movies or anything you're going to capture in. You get a charger, which is less than 2 feet. And of course, you get all these clips, different clips. Now, these are actually to grab things or to actually look at things or pretty much, in case you drop something in there, like some nail or something, you need to pull it out, or even a ring on the actual sink. So there's different kinds of accessories. Let's open one of them up so I could give you guys a demo how it works. This is a little hook. So say you have a ring and you dropped it in your sink and you can't get it out with anything conventional. This is you clip this on into the actual camera itself, and then you just go into the camera and watch it and hook it up, and that's pretty much how you get it. So that's one of them, and then they give you multiple ones. I'm going to show you the rest. Here's another one, and this was actually a spring to capture any kind of strings or anything this is actually a mirror, if you guys can see that. And then here's the actual magnet one that we have. We have little tiny magnets in there. You guys can see that. The magnets are in here. So you can magnetize certain things in there and then capture the stuff. So that's not bad. You could set it up. You could set one of those up in the spring, in between the springs itself. So you could put one in here and have it in between there and pull everything else. So they give you 2 magnets, the accessories. So let's put everything back so we don't lose it. All right, so here on the side angle, you got to put in the micro SD card in there. It goes in that side angle. To turn it on is basic. We're gonna turn it on right now. To turn it on, click the button on, wait a couple of seconds. They're gonna have options, all right? Of course, we have this camera here. It's all tangled up and you can see the camera. You can see it capturing right now, if you guys can see that. And that's capturing my camera. And it's, of course, we're upside down right now, but then you have options in here. You have a camera mode, you have the OK, backwards, and then up and down, a down arrow and up and arrow, and menu. So we're gonna go to menu right now. A menu is asking us what do you want to capture, and we want to do video first. Hit OK, and then video. There's no video files at all, so we're gonna go back to menu. Resolution, we're at 1920 by 1080. Let's see, we could go up to 2K 2592 by 1944. So we're gonna keep it as is, all right, because that's a good resolution to have. Language, you can change it, brightness, time setting, timestamps, format. We're gonna actually get rid of the timestamps. I don't like that. So format, we're gonna format the card. Let's go ahead and format the card. Confirm. We get rid of whatever's in the card. And then you can always go to factory reset if you want. So let's go back to menu. And then here, want to capture, you say capture, start capturing pictures. That's a picture. Arrows, you can actually change the arrows if you guys have seen that. The arrows, I'm going to hit it upside down. See how I can change the camera. Starts capturing. As soon as you hold down the button, it starts capturing. You hit the button, it stops capturing. If you hit it once, it takes a picture, all right? If you hold on to it until you see the timer, it starts going through. You guys can see it. Let's go check this out in our car and see what it can do. All right, so if you're working on your car and you're trying to find out if there's an issue on your vehicle, this is a perfect way to do it. And then we start sending the camera over, start capturing. So I just got a new radiator, car radiator, and you could tell it's new. I'm looking at it to make sure I didn't get gypped and just spray paint it anything. And this is actually a new radiator, if you guys can see it. All right, so let me explain to you. We have a long tube here. We're gonna drop a ring in here, and we're gonna try to fish it out with the actual hook in it. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Drop the ring, and say you drop the ring to a faucet, and it goes like halfway in. Then we're gonna go ahead and get a hook on. And we're gonna come back and try to fish it out. Oh, Oh, there it is. There's the actual ring. We finally got it. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.